Yeah, BSB radio to the world. Them for knowing I won't have the power.
Yes, yes, this is BSB Radio for real. And we are to the world. Unfortunately, I start my slide and then, I start my reasoning and, I get a little distraction. But we sort it out now. And blessed people, all me I say to big and serious. I want to say, bless upon yourself. And, I'm back again. Yes, I'm back again, big and serious. You see, we have to speak. And people, this is no joke. And there is no joke in my mind right now. The black youth them a kill off themselves. The black youth them just a dead off so. And I believe personally, because I have my own personal experience, with some of the mother them when you find yourself mixed up with the wrong set of woman, it can be a pain in everywhere. I'm telling you. And with black youth them just a dead off like this and the government seem as if she or him done business with us. Every day mother crying. Every day something going on bad. Oh, this son gets stabbed, that son get this. And the gang war just getting out of hand. I start to wonder who next or what next. Every day, South London, East London, West London, the whole place. Our youth. We love our youth. And we want our youth. And I believe sometimes it's the way how the children them grow up in the family home without a father. I believe in the absence of the daddy in the child life contribute to some of these madness. And I spoke to a few women well, and quite a few of them I said the same thing. What they're really saying is that they're saying, you know what, in truth and all honesty, they are saying the man is a deadbeat, so they're running away. Woman, I'm not saying you should stick with a deadbeat man, but the fact still remains the child need his or her daddy. Daddy contributing to the child. 50% of the child belong to the father. The father need to know the child. And when you decide to shut out the child from the father, sometimes the child or children can get rebellious. They started to look for a father figure, and they find it in the gang leader. They find it in their friend on the street because the father is absent from their lives. And with the absence of the father now, problems start. Because mommy gone to work. And I'm going to tell you, you see something mother know and something mother doesn't know. And that is why God Almighty make it possible for a man and woman to come together and get children. Because God knew he couldn't just make a woman just give birth. I couldn't just make a child fall in a woman's lap and just nourish him with milk and stuff like that. But God knew it is bigger than that. A father have to teach him child how to live, how to be a man, how to respect and accept life and people, how to deal with society, find some values within him, give him that confidence. Tell him, say, boy, son, when I was your age, this is how I do it, and right now, this is how you should do it. When I was your age, I never used to join gang. I never used to do foolishness. I used to stick with my book. I used to keep company with the right and proper and positive company. Yes. You know, I tell a child that your child grow up now, get influence from the friends or the associate. Them say, listen, man, we have some bandung, so they can give you a nice chinas. You want to wear chinas for £150? No problem. Mr. Biggs will buy it for you. All you have to do just show Mr. Biggs respect and step in and shake his hand and call dads, call him dads or daddy. Call him bomb dads. Where I said daddy. And Mr. Biggs will buy you that chinas for nothing at all. Now the child believe also you go for you. So you go link up Mr. Biggs. Mr. Biggs say, hold this, 150. Buy chinas next week, make you some more thing. So Mr. Biggs appear to be the daddy who that child don't have. So that child hitch on or attached to Mr. Biggs while mommy is at work. Trying to pay the bills. And mommy alone and her father gone about the business. Or father run off. Or mommy make father run. So the youth them start to get influence now. Mr. Biggs know that if him do anything wrong and them catch him gone to prison for a long time. So him use the children them to do foolishness. Him no business who want to go to prison, no business who want dead. All him want to know say, yo, that boy from over, so I move certain way, But when you go down, deal with them, anything you get, deal with them, And people start to rebel. You kill one of us, we kill one of yours. And this is how we start. You know, because I see them plant right there in a virgin. I'm telling you. Yeah. So mother, I'm telling us sometimes I don't feel live up. I don't feel live up, mother, and deal with things properly. And I hear when I speak to some of the mother them about the same situation. Why are you single? Why is it that the father not in the life of his children? Or am I deadbeat? Or am I useless? Oh, him gone with him girl. Me no want me girl grow my children. Me no want him go over there. Because me no want me girl talk to my child. I don't feel child. I feel with child. And I feel with children. When the child come home to him father, him have a right to respect people in the family. But to make the dirty jealousy come in your heart and start to create evil for the woman and start to blame the woman, so the woman take away the man from you. When you decide to dictate, when you decide to go on like say a colonel, when you decide to treat a relationship like an army. Yes. And this is what we have to sort out, people. We're losing our children by the minute. One a day not good enough. I'm telling you that from the knife. And we got to do something because the government seem like they're not in business. They give up on us. So we have to make sure our children don't fall in the wrong trap, the wrong hand, and find himself not either in the grave or in the prison and in confusion there. Yes. It's going on too much. I speak to so many mother and I see it to everybody else say. Oh, you know what? If he wants his father, if he turn about a door outside my gate and talk to his child and then go back in. Me nah make my child go down a yard. No way. What foolishness is that? You figure that man is the father of the child. And some of them man in no sense, you know. Them kind of use intimidation and violence to see them child. You don't use that, my brethren. This is England. You need to go through the law, the court, and make the judge decide. Mommy, the man need to see the child. And when the father day come, father, you make yourself available to see your child and spend time with your child. Teach your child what you need to teach your child. You can go to hell with the mother. The mother is not really important right now. It's just you and the child. That we say. And some of them mother poison the child from the father to by telling him negativity, and it come right back in the face of the mother. You see it happen over and over. Yes. I have some little paranoid, sick, retarded woman, you know, they're retarded in their mind, you know, and they believe that, oh, this is my child and my child mustn't see that person. But you know, no man can play certain game with certain man. Anyway. And that is what I say we can serious. But people, we are losing much of our youth by the minute. Our youth, we are lose them because them lost. Them don't know where to turn, them lost. Them looking for a safe heaven. And all them find themselves in a gang. Violence, killing, crime, wickedness. And I'm saying right now, we are balling for our children. Too much black on black crime, too much youth are dead without reason, too much single mother around there and too much bad influence. And again, sometimes not in the influence, but the mother gone and look her bread. The father back turn, sometimes the mother run with the father, sometimes the father decide him gone on his own, he abandon the child, him plant the seed and him run gone. And so many different things. I mean, I say, good for nothing, papa. Uno fi stand up, uno fi stick around and uno fi make sure say uno take care of the pitney, no matter what the mother want to do. But uno somehow you know, if you don't get a grind from the woman and if the woman now come skin out and laugh, you don't know, uno abandon both man and pitney. You have to remember say your child that you know my virgin. Your child, no matter what the mother want to do, but sometimes you know watch your man pum pum so and the man say now give no pum pum now, no decide say what? Me not busy with mama and child, because no interest is on the woman front. A virgin that can't tell me say no one, no man talk to the child. Now the woman married to her husband. And the child go look for him father. You say you don't want no woman talk to your child. You don't want no man talk to your child. And all them foolishness say anything the child do wrong, come talk to me. What kind of foolishness is that, my virgin? You got to wake up, virgin. You got to wake up. Right now, you know, it's not parent bring grow child now. It's the community. It's the community grow child. Oh, if that boy talk to my child, certain way I don't like my child, tell me, good on ask him when I talk to my child for. Me I'm no friend, make the mother deal with it. Bridging the child must learn to respect elders. No matter who it is, learn to respect elders. And nobody feel safe me as a man now. You and the woman left and me and that woman married. And your child come in at the home, you can't tell him, say, oh Joel, listen, sit down and do this and so. And if the child rude, me can't tell him, you can't scold that child. Foolishness, virgin, you have to wake up. You have to wake up out of the foolish dream where you're not in because this not reach nowhere. And I look at self-business and mash you up, you know. Because them teach we long time, you know, at Bakram Master, and teach you to hate one another, you know. Them teach you to get angry with one another, you know. Them teach we to be wicked to one another. Them teach us to have no love towards one another. So you see now the evil, we're coming out of that man mouth when him say, me no want no man talk to me picnic. If he go down the hall of his mother and him do something wrong, mother should call me and tell me. How your mother should call you and tell you that when a man is in the house? And you have some woman that say, oh, I don't want my picnic go down the yard, they say, you know, because I guess I don't want no stepmother come grow my child and all this. Woman don't have to behave with herself too. You don't have to behave with herself and have to make sure say you understand that you don't have to talk to the man, woman, and the man don't have to talk to you. But the child, whenever time you come in our family home, there's rule, there's regulation, and there's order. Yeah. You choose not to have a relationship with the father. The father choose not to have a relationship with you, whatever it may be. I don't care. But the child needs to see his or her daddy. The gang people, them know, them little careless drugs dealer and them little roadside man, them know say if them do certain thing, them will go to prison. Them get the child or the teenager boy them and them influence them and say, listen, I buy your trainers from JD Sport. I give you what you want. Just come check me on the corner. Nobody not gonna know. This is between me and you. You go up on the corner, you meet them in boom. Give you 150 pounds, buy shoes. Or whatever you want. You go buy it now, you say, wow, this man treat me good and better than my daddy. When I realize that then you're committed to him for life. When him having dirty work for doing, give you a knife and he say, listen, see a boy I don't so. Him hold me some money no more, you go sort him out, you know. Them have to go because in the first place, them take the man money. That's why we say, tell no teenage pitney, we tell no who him connect to and make sure you have a close connection with your pitney that you can know where him go. And if your pitney can money coming at the house, and if you search your children pocket or see him with certain clothes where you never buy him, you need to make him tell you where you get it from. But some of them, oh, it's Joe give me money, you know, it's my son give me money, you know, in on the road sometime and he make a little money. You don't take time but to find out where you make him money from, how you get him money, but you always want the money to buy food. And also you got parents take care of children, not children take care of parents. Yeah, and you know right. The way how the youth them are dead off right now, we don't respect it, we don't love it. Because of peer killing, peer, everywhere you turn, every day you get up, one more black youth gone. No, when we lost Stephen Lawrence, we think that was the end, you know. But it's coming like it's getting worse and worse by the minute. But then again, you see when unity within the community is serious something that, you know. Because me all up on Facebook sometimes, you have about 500 people as friends, and seriously, them are my friend and them say they accept me as their friend. And sometimes I wonder how come we in our community and we cannot even unite for one cause. And if we can't unite for basic things, how can we unite for major things like taking care of a child and a community? When you can't even acknowledge your friend, if you can't even reach your friend and say hello to your friend, because for you to be in my box, you are my friend. And many times you come in my box and you see me and you can't even say good evening, you can't say hi. But you sit down. So you see, we have to start within ourselves, you know, we have to start make sure that we clear up ourselves before we start to talk about how we want this to right and that to right. Some simple things, my friend them, my so-called friend them sit on my Facebook box and they come in and them see me and they can't even say good evening. Sometimes you even say hello to them and them refuse to say hello back, but still them are your friend. So you see what I say now? When the mindset set away which part you cannot acknowledge and that evil, that negative energy coming across between me and you, it's going to be hard for we to unite. It's going to be hard for us to stop the killing. When we cannot deal with basic issue, we're not going to be able to deal with major issue. And the killing is a major thing because right now, you claim you are my friend. And I can't call people name, but I can't call. You claim you are my friend because if you're never my friend, you put in my box. And Facebook tell me say you're my friend because I send your friend request or you send my friend request and we accept it. And we hail you up and say how you doing. And you don't have the decency to say I'm fine. But still that you want to talk about unity. Still that you want to talk about togetherness. Still that you want to come sit down and listen and say yes in your mind. But you can't even come together and make a work together as a family. So sometimes you see, man, you see, we understand say we get damage from the slave ship. We understand that we get damage mentally. Them damage is so bad. But guess what now? No? We should learn to get past that. But to get it deeper and deeper and deeper. Deeper and deeper in this nastiness. And every day We come in like we are trying to relive the slave master lifestyle. We are trying to live what happened to us so many years ago. We see the Indian man try to unite it. We see the other nationality try to unite it. But we as black, we separated. Nigerians don't like Jamaican. Congolese don't like Sierra Leone. And I just say going on this and that. And I don't like the boy there. And everybody like the background master, the wicked man who oppress you for years and years and years. And once him speak with certain language, once him speak the Queen's English, he's a brilliant man, he's an educated man. Once you speak like me from Jamaica, you're dunce, you're fool, you're confused. But I said, listen me people, I don't want to swear on this one because you know what? I'm on a nice, easy level. But it annoys me to know that because it's not your child, and I'm saying this seriously, because it's not your child get killed, it's not your child in this bangarang. You say, I don't have nothing to do with it. I'm going to stay clear. You're not going to stay clear. You shouldn't stay clear. Because every children should be our children and not that man's children. And that I don't get. And when we see how people see things and them just ignore it. Seriously. I'm watching play, you know, I hope I think me see, you know. When you see how people see things and them ignore it, you know, say these people are dangerous people. I'm telling you people, we as a community need to come together now. We've been doing it too long. We've been ridiculing and put down too much. If a guy come on and put on a nice suit and start to talk, hi mate, what's up man? And speak certain way like a cockney. You see, I'm respecting it, I'm ratings in it. That's why I'm saying I say black yardie. White yardie, I mean. I respect him, you know. I respect him. Cuss out no cloth all the while. I don't have to respect and love him because what? I'm a white man. And I'm teaching to tell you that white is pure and decent and acceptable. But black is destruction and black is negativity. And it's proven right here in front of me right now as I'm speaking. As a black man speaking to my black sisters and brothers. They can't even acknowledge me and say, yes, how you do? Sometimes I tell them good evening, maybe being polite to them and things like that. And I'm sitting down there ignoring me for what? What have I done to you? Nothing at all. But guess what? You're ready to ridicule some of them when them start to talk. Them start to put me down. And I never come here and put on nobody yet. But I think people love the negative more than the positive. So what I might have to start, you know, give them the negative. But then gravitate to it. Because we there have to talk about our children. Serious something this, you know. This is a very serious subject, you know. Our children who die every day in this country from the knife. The government seems as if it don't busy with us. And we appear to not busy with our own family, our own children. You may not know the guy over there who gets stabbed. You may not know the woman over there whose son gets stabbed. But it's your son too. It's part of your business. You should participate. You should get involved. You're hide, I don't want to get involved. But when it come at your doorstep, you want me to come and sympathize with you. And you watch that woman suffer. You watch that child die and say, I'm not going to get involved. It's not my business. Trust me, you know. What goes around, Bridget, it come right back around. Yeah. What goes around, come right back around. So you can't stay there. I separate yourself from the incident and say, oh, I'm not part of it. I'm not going to get involved. My son is in university. My son is okay. You need to remember, say, I see him treat your son walk and go to university. I see him train your son go to university. I see him train stop. Your son wait for the train station. I see him bus stop. Your son wait for the bus. And if your son have a car, I see him road. Your son drive pan go in. So we all in it. There's no escape. So when you start to say, oh, my son is okay, he's a good boy. I grow him up properly. No, man. Then what about the next woman who need help? If you know, say, you see your neighbor son behave a certain way, you scold the boy, tell the boy put on the knife, put on the gun, whatever quarter the company. You know when the people see them black brother pitney in negativity and then go one side and say, I don't want to get involved. You see the son, the mother might not see the son because the mother not going with the son there and things like that. And you see the child doing wrong, you know the child is wrong, you keep it to yourself. Why you keep it to yourself? They say, no people, man, I tell you lie, you know. If me see my son in any wrong or anybody's son, me, I make sure I be the first person to sort it out properly. And if him come in with gun in my house or a weapon or in a gang or anything like that, I would be the first person to call the police. I'd be the first person to take him to the police station. Me now wait till somebody stab him or him stab somebody or death come and me do away. Me I make sure I deal with it first. Them have a thing where them call nip it in the bud. Yeah, I do business, you know. That little boy that Joe son and get bad all of a sudden. Me know he get so bad. You walk on, left him 3 weeks now, and get stabbed and killed. I knew it. I knew he was going to get stabbed. Why you know it? Because I see him all the while I hang out with wrong people. I never call the youth and say, youth, come here. I know your mother, I know you from your kid. Get out of this thing. This is foolishness. Come out of it. Now you ignore him and pass. And I was wait to hear that him get injured. And you laugh and skin your teeth and say, you know what, I saw you go. How can you rejoice when somebody fall? You know, make it for me. And right now, my people, I tell you big and serious, say, I realize that black people, I mean, I'm going corner. I realize that my people are the hardest people to deal with. Are the most difficult people to deal with because what? Everybody want to be the done. Everybody want to be on top. We don't want to come together and unite. If you start to say, listen, now we are doing business now first, you must say, you want to rob them to get rich. People tell me all the while, me want to rob them to get rich. Why would I want to rob my own people to get rich? If I intend to rob people, I can go out there and rob the man who need to be robbed. Not cause him rob we in the first place. Me and you should come together if we're going to rob somebody and rob the man who robbed we in the first place, who robbed we of the culture, robbed we of the heritage, and robbed we of everything we're entitled to. Or why should I rob you? You put a balcony business to sell something and say, oh, you're too dear. But at the same time, then gone to the Chinaman. Chinaman not take a penny off of it. Then come to you, they want trust and not pay back. You don't trust them. Them say you this and you that. When you go to Chinaman, Chinaman say, oh, it's £10.20, £9.80 for it. Say you have £9, but you don't have the 80 pence. Chinaman say, no, go and come back. You come to me, you only have £4. I say, gang, go on, man, you're my sister, our brother. You don't come back, you're going to hide. Then when I ask you for the money now, I say, you go along, but make you go along so. But when you go to the Chinaman, and I see it over and over, my brethren have shops all about, and brethren say, look there, this girl come to me and buy from me and have money, me trust her. And when she have money, where she do? She go to the big supermarket and run left the man. And we see it over and over. So when me argument all about them people, it's all about say, black are kill black. And the reason why we are kill off ourselves so is because of what we, the parents, do in the present of the child or children, them and live it out now one another because they realize there's no love amongst them. And it's true, there's no love amongst them. For a boy or a man to take a knife and stick in somebody else's stomach, that suggests there's no love. I cannot do it. I cannot stick a knife in somebody's stomach. I can't. I cannot pull a trigger and shoot somebody. I cannot. I can't. And when you see somebody do something like that, you have to wonder why. How? What him I think about? What him I think about that him have to just pull the knife and stick it in somebody's heart? Stick it in somebody's flesh and see that person dead. And then get up and walk and say, oh, kill that one. And sometimes they even kill more than one person. Because of the coolness where them see around them. The drugs where them take. And the nastiness where I go on. Because trust me people, me see it every day. We are talk about say we are black and we should be united and we're more disorganized more than anybody else. We hate one another so much. It wasn't me who make you suffering. Me and you in it together. Two of us in the struggle together. And if we in this struggle, you should just give me strength and I give you strength. No, but you want to ridicule me. You want to put me down because you are in struggling and I'm your brother in the struggle. So you want to put me down to get on the top. In a work, so we should come together and attack the man or the person or the thing who put us in that situation. You know we can be powerful if we want, but we just decide to turn power on every time. And the youth them see how two sisters live. The youth them see how auntie and sister live, mama and him own sister live, and daddy and him brother live, and the bitterness. So the youth them say, you know what, I'll just imitate it, you know. If my father not talk to him one brother and him say this kind of word against him brother, then it's just normal. It's just the norm. So me go do it. So him find him peers out there now and something go wrong now, he just say, boom, push a knife in his stomach and kill him. Just like that. And when people me tell you big and serious, we don't know. We don't forget it now, man. We got it too long a fight with. Black people push down black people too much. Black people hate black people too much. Jamaican hate Jamaican too much. And I see it over and over and over again. And I get so much embarrassment and ridicule from my own Jamaican people. I'm telling you. I went in a chat line one time, just for example, I tell you. I see a girl put up a Jamaican flag and say something about Jamaica. And as a Jamaican, I say hello to her. And you know what girl do? She blocked me. Because I say hello my sister, she blocked me. I say, wait, why did she block me? I didn't violate, I didn't say nothing wrong. All I say to her, hello. Because I see the Jamaican flag and she called herself Jamaican princess or something like that. The next time I try to send a message to her, You can't send message to this person block you. Think about it. I never violate her, I never say nothing bad, I never do nothing bad to her. She just don't want to in nothing with me, because apparently she don't know me. She don't know me and I don't know her. All I see was the Jamaican flags. But still yet people from Birmingham accept me. And we're talking about white people. People from other places accept me and we become friends and we have a simple conversation and we laugh and chat. But she don't want to talk to me. What have I done? I say hello my Jamaican sister to her. And when I see how many days pass and she never reply. One day I see her on and I try to connect with her. The program said, you cannot contact this person block you. So the point is that we hate ourselves. We hate one another without a reason. And the piece of hatred we have towards one another, it become evident in the life of us. The children see it. All these man and all these men around who take our youth and I put them in a situation and give them drugs, give them gun, send them go rob, send them go kill and so. It's hatred cause it. Yeah. If you love me and I love you, you should protect me. And I should protect you. But no. Them love the stranger who oppress them. They love the stranger who tie them up with rope and beat them till their skin raw. Them love the man who abused them, and I realize that it's so true. My virgin from Sierra Leone said to me some years ago, he said, you know, I notice, when you be a gentleman, woman take you for idiot, but when you be a ragamuffin and you cause bumbo clot and you galang bad and you go on like you're rough, them love you the way they. And because of that, them used to. This is what them used to. Them used to see how their mother get liquid thing till she this and she that. And some idiot I say, I love when my man beat me, because when my man beat me, sure that me love me. Because when me beat my child, me know that me love my child. What foolishness is that? Violent, my friend, and love don't walk together. They are total opposite. But because your mindset so far, so bad, and you're in the slavery mentality so much, when Bakram has to lick you till your skin get white. And I'm sorry for you, him say, listen, me love you, you know. That's why I beat you. So you start to understand wrong to be right. And right to be wrong, and you get your friggin' mind confused. And when people approach you decent and good, you avoid them because you want the old hooligan. Now I am here talking to all my people them who are supposed to be, and I presume, because most of my people for my thing is black people from all over the world. I have a few white people there, and I know them. Yeah. And I'm telling you right now, say, you can attest to the facts and say, yes, you know what's true. And a lie me I tell. If you're not violent and vulgar and outrageous, you're not getting no respect from some of them women. Them love the violent business. You're looking for a girlfriend and see a young lady and say, excuse me, madam, good afternoon, how you doing? She don't busy with you. Yo, girl, come here. I go on with me, want fuck you know, And run come. Because of that them used to. Young girl lay down in a bed. And you say, baby girl, can I have some sex? She said, no. Fair enough, you're not a raper, you're not a raper, right? Next man, say, how come you come look for me? In a bed with me and you never give me some of my sex. You tell me no when I ask. The girls, they should have taken it. Why am I going to take your pum pum? He said, no. She said, when she said no, she mean yes. Me no understand it, me no get it. She said, although me said no, Lord, they should have taken it. I love when man hackle me for it. And I was like, wow. I need to get rough. But then again, me not gonna get rough with that. And me not gonna make myself look foolish when we are the things we're supposed to do things in unity and we're supposed to agree. I'm gonna say, oh baby girl, let's just have sex. I say, no. And me, if you believe that mean yes. No. Then you call rape on me. I mean handcuff and go for 14 years. And me know say no me no. And in the morning I ask her, why didn't you give me sex? Why didn't you come and sleep with me in the house? She said he should have taken it. So I said, I asked you, and he said, no, so what should I do? They used to me come in the bed like that in panty and brazier. That don't mean that's evident. No. Me know that thing. Me not join certain things, and maybe that's why I get left out so much. So what I'm saying, the people that me used to, this rough life, this hooligan business, you fight till you're tired for sex. Me not depend that. You fight and beat and this and that, and then you say, oh, I love you. When half our eyes swell big so. Because you fight and then you say, baby girl, I love you. And you put something on it to heal it. Why? For me, and also me work, and also me live, and also me behave. If I ask you for something and you said no, it means no. You might have confused me anyway. But trust me, what I'm saying, the people them love the negativity too much. Them love the vulgar business too much. One young lady said to me some time ago, you're too soft, you're too gentle, you're too humble, you're too pure. Me need a bad man, me need a ragamuffin. I don't even know if you could defend me if we get together. Because you're so refined. Me not refined, my friend. But guess what? No, me not a ragamuffin where I come, hey girl. You know what? No. I want skin you out, I want pop you out, I want tear you apart. Me not talk them kind of talk there. Me not get turned on with them talk them. Me not in them foolish there with nobody. Me and you should be on a level which part you understand decency. But because of that them see them mother do. And that them see in them lifestyle, and see in their community. And that them grow come see. So them think it is the norm. Well, for me now, to be honest with you, me not see them something in my world. Me see man meet to man, take them out, buy them things, treat them nice, show them love and respect and everything nice and proper. And everybody happy. Me not hear woman tell, me not hear man tell woman how under her look. Me not join them the joke there. And me not see woman tell man how much him soft and him come every second. We not join them something there because them something are really good. But some of these girls or some of these people that them love. And that is why me I tell us our youth are dying. Because of the foolishness. They have nobody to guide them and show them the other way. So true nobody now show them the other way. Now what happen? Them take the other way, which is the wrong way. And we just sit down and say, you know what? Oh, and the news again, one more youth die. Guess what now? The government forget about us. The government not busy with us. So we have to make sure we come together and unite and latch on. Like how the Indian man latch on and unite. We don't want to do it. We don't want to do it. We want to be the person who me can't take that girl in, I can't take that guy in and chat too much, his mouth too big. Sometimes people are blame you for something you cannot do. If your friggin' mouth bigger, whose fault? Is your fault make your mouth big? Eh? If your head ball is your fault make your head. I mean, if a man got big, I feel him fault make it big because him over nyam or you know take care of him system so and get out of hand. Me understand that part there. But you born with your head still like this. What can you do about it? Nothing. Oh, you chat too much, I don't like you for that. Come on, my friend. We learn over the years, fools have nothing to say so they cannot talk. People who speak a lot, they are highly intelligent, but I don't believe it. Yes, I know. Yeah, fool know nothing to say so them can't say nothing. A man with hold per word is a wise man, believe it or not. So, what we are saying, our youth really are suffer. We youth are suffer, we need to fight it because we don't know who next, we don't know who for child next are going to die by the knife. We don't know who for child or children next are going to die from this black and black violence. We have to stop it. We have to do something. We have to put something in place and we have to join a chain together. Me and you and everybody come together and we watch, be like a police. We watch the youth them, study them and mash up them dolly house. As soon as we see them start farm gang or doing foolishness, we just go down there and pop it down. Yeah man, now we are pop it down with intelligence because we not fight them and we not use no kind of violence. Because you know if you throw acid, if you throw gas and fire, you're gonna explode. But if you throw water upon fire, you're gonna cool it down. So we have to use wisdom when we are dealing with them people the same way. Some people, what me I say to you now, you know one community and it's like something out to steer up, you make sure you start to watch and see what go on. And as you see Dolly House start to steer up, you pop it down. That is what we are saying about here to our youth because it hurt me to see the young woman, some of we just 38, we just 40, we just 45, and we end up a bury our children in a right, good. And we see so much young youth lost their life in London alone because of the hatred that is sweeping amongst us, the evil that is among us. And we have to stop it. We have to do something about it because it is too much. I'm telling you. You look at the young mother crying out her eye, oh my son dead. He was a good boy in school doing everything. And the poor woman go to work every day. Think that her son was in the house, all the son all over the place doing all kind of foolishness. And the community sometimes see the boy going out and coming in and don't even tell the mother. Yeah. A young lady tell me that day, she don't like how her son are moving. And I say, alright, you know what? Make go watch him. Make go watch him and observe him and make sure say any dolly house him going away or pop it down. And we other way I just come down on him at 20 and we go down and sit down with him and put the right thing in our head and talk him to it and watch him and follow him till he get uncomfortable and give up that kind of lifestyle. Because that's all we have to do. 20 hours we sit down and just not stop. We just keep on beat it in our head, beat in our head. Listen, man, do good, man, left the company. Just talk to him. Talk to the best way to connect with people. My friend is talking to them and talk to them in a peaceful and decent way. And some of these youth, they are hungry for a conversation. They are hungry for a positive conversation. And all we do condemn them and avoid them. And what we do, we excommunicate them. Like how the Roman Catholic do. We excommunicate them, and when we excommunicate them, now they left on their own. Now the gang man, the Dan man around the corner, they don't sit down around the corner. I say, yo, youth, come over. 21 of them sit down around him. You know what, you name so and so. Alright, you know what happen? Come check me every day. When you come check me every day, we take care of you, don't worry. You want a chain as a JD Sport? £350 go buy it. You want a tracksuit? See it, they go buy it. Whatever you want, don't worry yourself. You want money, just come check me. The Dan man shouldn't have so much influence over your children more than you. The Dan man shouldn't have so much influence over our children than the community. Because the Dan man over there, so he's a minority, and we are more than him. It's like the police. We the citizens is more than the police. So if a riot decides to start, no police have to run. Because you have almost 70 million people with about 200,000 police. So when I try to say to you right now, the citizen is more powerful than the one that got young man. The one that got Dan man, and all you have to do, pop them in Dolly house. Stop talk about you don't want to be an informer. Stop talk about you don't want nobody come kill you later on. Do what you have to do, because if you have to die for your right, let's die for your right, because we have to dead someday, and it better we die for a purpose than live without one. And if you know say that man, they mash up the youth, them and I give them drugs, and I sell drugs to them, say them go sell drugs, and I do all them something, they call the police and report him. Not talk about none of my business, and I don't want to get involved because they will come kill me. So what? Make them kill you for doing the right thing. They're in the first place doing the wrong thing. And if I see anybody doing anything, call me informer if you want, because I don't care. Remember me, say me not talk around, kill me and done. Because we need our youth, and our youth are damaging. Our youth are killing off them one another because of the poison. Somebody tell me say the dirty ganja them a smoke. I don't know. Me know, say me born one place and grow one place with ganja they by the million. And ganja don't do nobody nothing. So if for the ganja them a smoke or something in the ganja. Yeah. Me come from one place where ganja smoke every second. And me never use a ganja do nobody, so yet me people kill people. A young boy take out knife, stab another young boy and run gone. Later on, mother, son die, good boy die. And it always be the good one them who in a school and doing well. I never hear of a youth die recently or any time yet. And he was a bad boy, was a gang leader, and was a this. He always be a good boy. Yeah. Always a criminal, he was a good boy. And that's how they put it. But my people, we want our youth. We need our youth. No, seriously, man. We cannot continue like this. Almost every day, another youth get killed in London. The government don't business. We don't put police on the road and so on. We have to be our own police then. We have to make sure, say, listen, we come together and be a chain. And me watch your children, you watch my children. When the boy or the girl or whoever, because girl or the foolishness, should be in school and them in school, the first thing you do call the mother. We have everybody number. Me have your number, you have my number, and you know where I go on. If you go somewhere and see my children, you call me and say, listen, I see your child somewhere where you're not supposed to be, you know. Your child should be at school and him there, so come sort it out. Me could be a watchman for the whole of them then, no. We come together now and unite and watch them and they move, no. If me see your children, me have your number. If you call you and tell us your children they so and so, your children do so and so. And we just set the smaller one them to watch them. And carry news to we from them. What? Informing no bad, especially if you're doing it for a right purpose. Because sometimes these children, they talk to their smaller brother, you know. And so I say, listen, you know what? You can come with me to, you know, because they try to recruit them, brother. You can come with me to, you know, get a trainers like mine, you know. And then the smaller brother will come and tell me, Mom, you know what happened? Joseph is telling me that if I go down to that man, here's the man number, this is where the man live. That man will give me a trainers too, because he give Joseph a nice trainers and Joseph have money, hide somewhere in the house. Sometimes these youth talk to them smaller brother. And we can't stop it. And we have to stop it because it's too much. We lose our children. Our children are dying. And all we hear, oh, one more black and black crime. Police is investigating. You always hear the police are investigating. 9 out of 10 times they don't catch nobody. And they just done this so. But still one life gone. It could be your child. It could be my child. It could be anybody's child. So what we need to do, we need to stop it before it get out of hand. We need to stop it before it gets to our doorstep. Of course. We can do it. But before we can do it, Facebook, we have to acknowledge that we are friends. We have to acknowledge that we are in it together. And we have to acknowledge some basic things. Because right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 5 people on my Facebook right now looking. And only one person responding to me, I say. And all of who on my Facebook, they are my friend. And I'm sitting down watching like this. Eh? And we're having a small conversation like this. And you don't even have the decency to either oppose what I say or support it. Because I don't business if you want to oppose it or not in all me say. We don't like how our youth are living. We don't like the condition how them are dead off. Before them reach 23, 24, them dead. Parents start to bury them children too often now, man. It used to be children bury them parents. It used to be children, mother go and work and take care of children. Now his mother know that them children up on the road in a wrongdoing and them can't do it. Oh, I wait till John come in. John say, "Mom, give me something." I wait for him. I can't let you know when he come and give me. And John come in and say, "Mama, see 200 pounds here." And you don't ask him where he get it from. You know, he's not working. He come in with new clothes in your house. And you don't ask him, where you get money from, John? Where you get new clothes from? No, you just take it and, oh, I just run the house and I buy this and that and I take care of thing, you know. No, you don't need that, my friend. That's blood money. That's wickedness. So what I say. We have to start from somewhere, and the place where we want to start from now, we have to make sure we use Facebook properly and we become friends and unite here and do the right thing here, and then we can extend it to our everyday life. And it's annoying when you are talking with your friends about something and then blank you. Seriously, it's not nice. It hurts when you're speaking to your friend about something and then blank you. So maybe Uno can do on the dirty life. So maybe Uno are part of the killing of our youth. Maybe I am disturbing on a lifestyle. Maybe, just maybe, I am destroying what you plan. I am saying things that is stopping your bread. So you're not gonna in support of me, but to hell with who say that or who think that. I will always stand in here doing what I am supposed to be doing until God Almighty say enough is enough. Yeah, because I know a lot of people that don't love good life. I know a lot of people they don't love niceness, they don't love good things, they don't pretend like they love it. Some of them love the bagga because some of them grew that they know all them life. You bring the hog out of the mud and put the hog in somewhere smooth, and the hog run left that good life and go straight back to the mud because all the hog know is mud and muddery. Mud and muddery and muck. And some of us mine are just as mucky as the hog own. I said some of us mine is just equally mucky like the pig's own. So if you're gonna try to make a pig become clean, you're in trouble. The pig now come clean. The pig love the mucky nastiness. And trust me, people, we have to get it right. Regardless of what we have to get it right because it don't look good, it don't stay good, and we youth them are dead off show guy. The youth them every day you get up, oh, one more dead. South London, East London, West London, North London. And who are dead? 18, 17, 15, 19, 22. Come on, man, young boy. Them future just throw away like that. And we are talking about it now and they come like say a joke business. Well, I see one name on my Facebook here and I believe this person don't understand nothing with English based on the name. Because I never see that name before. It come like say some French or something. I don't know. But whatever it may be, and some Chinese name and some different name, I don't know. But apparently them not understand me. I say so we can see with them still, but we will get it one day. Yes, we will get it one day. And all we can say, in a nice show, guy, it hurt me to see how our children are suffering and dying because we are lack of knowledge. It hurt me as a person, trust me. I'm annoyed to see how we can't get it right. We can't get it right. Our children just dying like this and we just fall behind and say, I don't know him. The boy who died the other day, I don't know him. Who is he? I don't know him. So true you don't know him, it's okay for him to die. Basically, that's what you're saying.
BSB Radio. I Stacey Charming and I say, a woman power. Yeah.
And that's not right. You're not supposed to really and truly watch somebody die because you don't know them. Every life matters. And you need to remember, say, a one life, you just break up in different parts.
I represent the BSB radio station in London, Baba Shukobe. You don't know, so the Chulani city, so boy, I represent.
It's one big old life, break up in different parts. Trust me.
Oh, we say, we don't care if them say shortly, say, we have girls from London to Ochi, and if a champagne goes in the toast, a girl alone can come closer. Baba, radio station, Mad BSB, shortly I represent. Now,
Yeah, man, it's serious. I'm telling you, people, it hurt me to see how the youth them are dead off. It hurt me to see how our youth, our children, dying off because we don't decide to unite. We just want to go our own place and we just hate our own self and love the enemy. When it comes to the enemy, we love him. When it comes to our people, we just go on like we have no sense and we just start jiff all over the place. It hurt. Seriously. Every day almost you get up, another young you die. Another young you die from the knife. The crime in our society is getting out of hand. The government don't busy with us anymore. We have to, as the Bible say, be our brother's keeper. We have to, as the Bible say, help protect our children because too much killing, too much guns, too much crime, too much drugs. We have to do it, man. We must do it. When you look and see a mother standing over a casket crying her belly out for her son, the boy don't even live no life. He's dead. You're not gonna see him no more. Because someone never dared to stop him from get killed. No one wasn't there, no one ever heard the plan that we are gonna kill your son. They just call the mother and say, listen, tie up your son in the house, don't make him come out. Bodyguard him everywhere you go. But they kill it one together if they have to. Nobody never see that. Nobody never know that. Nobody never hear that. You just hear the boy get stabbed in his heart and him dead. Police come and ask a bag of question and write a bag of foolishness and come left you gone. Glad we get rid of one. That's what them say smartly. Glad we get rid of one. I say, oh, the police will get back to me because he have it in his hand. Police not helping, they're going up busy with you. You got to do it for people. We have to do it for ourselves and our kids. Yes. Next thing, police lock up one and release him and say, oh, we never have enough evidence. The camera now work, all them foolishness there. Eh? Somebody die. You check camera. Camera wasn't working. Eh? You don't find methods and ways and means. If you do your thing, you get paid for you doing work. Boy, die, you let go that criminal to kill another person again. Come on, man, it's too much. We got to do something. Nadine Green, we have to do something, Nadine. You might not be a mother, you might be a mother, Nadine, but we still have to do something. This cannot continue like this, Nadine. No. Our children are dying. It's hard. It's struggling, it's a struggle to see our children die like this. Young boy, just dead. Eh? We can do it. What we have to do as black people, everybody have to come together and make a chain. And we deal with it properly. We kill the pride within us. And another thing is to hear black people say, I don't know you. Another thing is hear another person say, I don't know you. How you mean you don't know me? And I am a part of you. Because the same thing in you, in me, which is life. Do you think you have a better life than me? Do you think you get more breath more than me? Come on, we are one and the same. For crying out loud, we are relative. I don't know, and you don't talk to me. I don't know you. How comes? And your skin is as black as mine. Sometimes I come from the same country. But I don't know you. Where's the love? Hurt. Just me hurt me so much to see how the youth them dying out. And everybody keep quiet. We understand long time so the government don't busy with us. We understand long time so the government don't busy with all the government want to do is take money from you. And if you don't do it and throw your backside in a prison, who can't throw in a prison and throw them out? And it's a pleasure for them to who they cannot throw in the cell. Them throw them out of the country. A young man is driving a car and his insurance run out. They revoke him paper instantly. And throw him out of the country when they could easily well send him to jail for at least some time. And throw the man out, say you're a foreigner. You shouldn't drive without an insurance. Of course the boy should never drive without an insurance. But still, there always be a right and a wrong way to do things. Yes, they revoke the man paper. The man get temporary status in this country. The government no business with we. I said, people, we have to do it for ourselves. We have to do it for our kids. Yes, we have to come together. If we don't come together, we're going to be in trouble. Yeah, you know when the mother band them belly and cry. Them son get stabbed and nothing come out of it. Them arrest 2 boys. And when them say them investigate, them say no, it's the wrong boy them have. Them let them go. The real killer is out there walking free somewhere, ready to kill again. Because them get away with the first kill. They're ready to stick another knife in somebody's heart. We got to prevent this. We got to find ways and means to stop this. Yeah, we got to do it. We got to do it. Ladies, gentlemen, I want to be careful. How you ignore the same thing we can haunt you later on. You better be careful, trust me. You might not be a mother, so you say, oh, I'm exempt, I'm not a mother. But one day in the future, you might become a mother. And one day in the future, you might cry for your own child because you watched that woman's child die. And you know you could prevent it and you didn't. So God Almighty said, you know what, I'm going to give you a taste of your own medicine and make you feel how it feels to do wicked things. Trust me. We got to come together. We got to. Yes. So, that me say me gone.